pagpasok ng PBA, naalala ko pa, hindi pa ako. So, daw sa Santa Lucia. Bali, one conference lang ako naglaro doon. Tapos na-trade ako for, siyempre, championship.
Relying on him, you can depend on him. Dito mo naman yan. Dito mo naman yan. May sinasabi mo, Coach Tommy, na experience.
Experience, utak. Na nawala noong laban nila against San Miguel. Yeah, it is 3. Well, what a move by Bong Hawkins. So many fakes. And just like the veteran that Bong Hawkins is, panorin natin to. Watch the move here. Head and shoulder fake. One more fake. Then he goes around Aliado. And he is gone.
Yung kanilang igutan ng bola. Hawkins sinakyan na ni Harencio, but sa lakas ng katawan ni Hawkins ay pasok pa rin niya yung kanyang tira.
This is a nice pass by Pochuino. Hawkins has a chance to complete the 3-point play.
Ginawa na lahat ni Pido Harencio pag pigilin si Bong Hawkins.
Si Jolas nasa kanto. Narito si Hawkins sa ilalim. Whoa! Flying carpet shot.
19-11 and San Miguel needs a... Red. And he needed that basket to lift up his confidence a little bit. Easy 2 points underneath the basket for Bong Hawkins.
Pagka wala siya sa loob. Ito, si Bong Hawkins has also developed that. Pinigutan lang.
Hawkins talagang at low post. Ang daming move. He has shown here. Hawkins is a middle. Yes! It's a 5-point lead.
Gets it for Hawkins. High now. And you're exactly right. Derek Pomaren has seen his lead whittle down to 10.
Beside his assistant coach Luigi Trillo and Nicky Bachman.
At saka si Reyes.
What a move by Hawkins. And alam mo, when you look at the Alaska team, and they watch Bong Hawkins is tearing them apart.
Bong Hawkins sidestepping against Don Carlos Aliado.
Si Hawkins, nato si Walkfish. Ano na si Walkfish?
Oh, yes.
Wala atang Walkfish dyan. 15 puntos na po si Bong Hawkins.
Pass first, and then shoot next. But if you break it down and you try to be a one...
Fourth point of the ball game. Narito si Bong Hawkins. Nasa gitna. He struggled in game 5 and he gets his first basket. Final pairing. Bayern superstars. Here's Hawkins. And that's igang strength ng Alaska. The
sa offense. At saka yung value partner of using Ali Pico sa 6'9" is that he keeps you rebounding strength. And when he comes in, he's fresh.
3 to shoot. Hawkins goes up.
Yes.
No, tapos panic time na. You have to take a hurried shot from the outside.
Oh, excellent pass. Watch this play. Hawkins to the Remdes. They've been doing that for so many years, and it's been as successful as this.
Puro one-on-one, no? They're taking shots on a one-on-one basis. Hindi kasi nado-double team Pinoli locks in, but they've got to start moving.
About maybe 28 feet.
At saka yung tira na yun, partner, nanggaling sa palikat. It wasn't really a squared up.
Yan ang the brains nung araw, no? Si Bong Hawkins talagang at low post, ang daming moves, no? And he has shown here.
Kung na mga ito ay meron isang sidelight na hindi natin pwedeng di mapansin. Ang unang pagtatagpo sa loob ng court ni Tanduay forward Bong Hawkins.
Pero yung pinaka-memorable, siyempre, yung nag-Grand Slam kami.
We can make things.
Ng dating lumang coach, ng lumang players, halos lahat din ng mga paso. Bago din mga players, katulad din.